Welcome to plan design. We will see this wonderful ground floor and first floor plan. First floor plan, number of 3 bedroom we have, and with living, wide hall lobby, all attached bathroom and one service room. Ground floor plan, one kitchen, bedroom, living, dining and lobby. So we will see one by one. Door, window, column, everything arranged in very much possible and accurate way. This is our entrance. This plan 42 feet by 39 feet. So this is our entrance, 12 feet 2 inch, and this entrance we are getting 12 feet 2 inch wide and 17 feet 11 inch length. This is our big lobby, and this is ground floor. This bathroom area 6 feet 3 inch by 4 feet 1 inch. This is common bathroom. This is big hall, 15 feet 7 inch and 24 feet 2 inch. This very wide hall. This side, this is our stair for first floor, 10 feet 6 inch, 8 feet 1 inch. And this is dining, 17 feet 10 inch, 13 feet 5 inch. This near you can see here, this is our 11 feet 11 inch kitchen by 10 feet 3 inch. Back side also door provided. This is our back side also entrance. So we can access from kitchen to dining very easily, and this side passage, and this is our cupboard area 5 feet 8 inch. Now this is our bedroom. We can consider this bedroom as a guest room, 13 feet 2 inch, 11 feet 11 inch. This is attached bathroom 5 feet 8 inch and 6 feet 6 inch. You can see here water closet and basin, shower tray. Already I arranged this much properly. Now we will see our first floor. So this is our stair, wonderful stair. We are reaching first floor. So this is our first floor. First floor we are getting very big hall lobby, 12 feet 2 inch, 14 feet 4 inch. This side you can see, this is our servant room, service room, like you can use for pantry purpose, 6 feet 6 inch, 5 feet 8 inch. And we will see this side. This is our living, open living, 13 feet 7 inch, 12 feet 2 inch. This is window. This side we have very big master bedroom, 15 feet 7 inch by 15 feet 6 inch. This dress area, bathroom attached, 8 feet 7 inch, 5 feet 8 inch. So this we are getting easily access. And this arch you can see, this is arch open area, this 2 dashed line, and this side you can keep cupboard for your dress and other things. So this side we will take our this room. This bedroom 15 feet 7 inch, 11 feet 11 inch, and same attached bathroom 5 feet 8 inch and 8 feet 7 inch. We will see our this bedroom. This bedroom size 13 feet 2 inch and 12 feet approximate. This side dress area in the corner, and this is 8 feet approximate by 5.5. This is our bathroom, 5 feet 11 inch, 8 feet 1 inch. This very wide and spacious. You can see shower tray, sink and wash basin, everything arranged in very much possible and accurate way. We will see our door and window. So this is our window for bathroom. This is our window for 2 side window. You can consider this 4 side open. This side window you can see here in stair for design purpose. Here we did not provide any window. So this side window, you can see this projection for frame design purpose. Kitchen, back side also entrance, and the near door. This is our sink. This is big dining, this side window and this side window. Now this is our very big hall. Front you can see very wide curtain window. It will go continue up to first floor, and this side window also, and this side. So ground floor we have number of 1 bedroom only. Keep in mind this only 1 bedroom we have. First floor 3 bedroom. we will see our first floor. So first floor, you can see, as I said, this is coming from first floor to ground to first is continuous for glass purpose, design purpose. So this window here, big size window and design purpose window. This side window also for both side window, and this sliding door for living. This two window for for ventilation, exhaust. This bedroom we have two window. Depending on your requirement, you can keep one or two. So this bedroom we have two window. Then this bathroom with ventilation. This bedroom with window. This side we did not provide window. So this wonderful ground floor and first floor plan. So I hope you got this plan very helpful. If you got this plan helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.